Hey guys, end of days prepper here with a bit of a infrastructure update. So let's get started, shall we? Hey guys, end of days prepper here. Infrastructure attack in Houston regarding the the NOAA weather radio transmitter, the one out of Houston. I think that's KGG 66, the one at the weather transmitter out of Houston is down indefinitely due to a terrorism infrastructure attack. Like I said, no timetable for bringing that back online. I'm going to check Twitter here real quick to see. Evidently there was a cable cut leading directly to the transmitter. No estimation on when service is going to be restored. And I am going to keep tabs on this just in case it was a terrorist attack. And you know, guys, it's highly likely that it was. Follow at NWS Houston for more information on Twitter. I'll see you guys later. End of days prepper signing off.